The 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ is one of the most exciting additions to Toyota's lineup, bringing back the rugged charm of the legendary FJ Cruiser but in a more compact, modern, and versatile form. This SUV is designed for those who crave adventure but also want a vehicle that fits into daily city life. Starting with the exterior, the design carries a bold retro-inspired look with squared-off edges, a muscular stance, and signature round LED headlights that echo the original FJ heritage. The wide grille, chunky bumpers, high ground clearance, and roof rails emphasize its off-road DNA, while the shorter wheelbase and compact proportions make it far easier to handle in urban environments. The 18-inch alloy wheels and flared arches add toughness, and Toyota has given it modern styling touches like sleek LED taillights and aerodynamic roof design that blend tradition with technology. Moving to the interior, Toyota has crafted a cabin that balances rugged utility with modern comfort. The dashboard design is upright and simple, featuring durable materials meant to withstand adventure, but it doesn't sacrifice luxury. Soft touch surfaces, premium fabric or leather seat options, and a spacious layout make it feel upscale. Technology is a big part of the new Mini Land Cruiser FJ, with a large touchscreen infotainment system supporting the latest Toyota Smart Connect software, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multiple USB-C ports, and an upgraded sound system. The digital instrument cluster provides all vital driving information in a crisp display, and off-road data like pitch, roll, and navigation maps are available at a glance. Despite being compact, Toyota has ensured good rear passenger space and flexible cargo